Alright guys, trade recap. Today I took two trades, one long and then a short. Ended up the day being in good profits. And yeah, so we're going to be looking at, well, first my long here. You see the executions. So just first I'm going to go over my analysis, why I was bullish for market open. And yeah, we'll see. So first of all, we had these. Let me get rid of this very quickly. We had these relative equal highs up here. All right. I believe there was an SMT somewhere with ES, but I forgot where. But relative equal highs, hourly fair value gap as well. I was expecting a retracement in this area here, so I would have wanted to see price taking these highs, fill in some more of this fair value up here. Maybe why not come into the constant encroachment. We got a nice little breaker block here as well. I was expecting that to happen, all right? And with that in mind, I was looking for longs once market open, okay? To add to that, I also had this this decent opening range gap right here. Okay, so that's what you saw previously. Go back to my regular trading hours. And yeah, that gap got barely filled at all. We just filled it once here. And again, that could have been a nice little target here. I cut consequent encroachment right here. As you may know, this has a 70% chance of getting filled every single day during the recession. Okay, so that was my idea. Had a lot of drawn liquidities up here. But then long term, I obviously was bearish. Okay, I give you guys, what is this? What the fuck? Oh, my bad. I gave you guys these levels here to during the weekly analysis vid last Saturday or Sunday, and we had this low here, 2,943. We almost got there, and there's an SMT here, bullish SMT with ES, as you can see right here. But yeah, that's level I'm expecting to see price to be drawn to, and we got these relative equal lows as well down here. But I'm not gonna go over all that. If you want to see that vid on my YouTube, well, you can do that on your side. But yeah, essentially my entry here was, we had this, oh my god, bro. We had this, where is it? Here. This 15-minute buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, okay? That got filled right here. I liked the way price was enabled to close below this BISI, and we kind of stayed in it. I like the way we reacted off constant encroachment here. This was your first presented fair value here at 931. Okay, we see that again inverted right here. And that was kind of like, I mean, seeing that, I was pretty confident we could go higher from there. Then we had this massive drop here. Again, look at the bodies. It stayed in the fair value gap here. And we took out this minor sell side liquidity here before pushing higher. Again, during this push higher, I saw this, well, obviously first presented fair value up here, getting inverted again. And I guess I didn't pay too much attention to this inverted fair value up here, or this one if you want, or even this fair value up here. But either way, you see price reacts, I mean, not price, the bodies of the candles, they all stay in the lowest part of the fair value gap. Okay, so it's actually an inverted fair value up here. So yeah, I guess I took my entry off the retap of the 15-minute BISI here, with my stops being like, I believe 1 point below this order block here, what I considered an order block here. So right here, below mean threshold of that order block. So yeah, honestly, if I paid more attention to the way price was reacting off this imbalance here, I probably should have waited for price to actually invert this fair value gap here, this one right there. And that would have been great confirmation to see price going higher. But that didn't happen. So what I saw after that, I was still open to trade, obviously. especially once I started seeing the prices placed lower. And what was my confirmation here? Well, I saw price coming back in the lower half of the first presented fair value here after I got stopped out, then displacing lower, right? And this candle here closes below the BISI, sorry, causing it to be an inverted fair value gap. And from there, well, pretty low hanging fruit right here. All right, the monitor sells liquidity here. Pretty quick trade. This is what I executed off of, this little fair value up here. I had my stops, I believe, 1 point above the inverted fair value gap here, constant encroachment right here. And yeah, that was my trade essentially here. A little too RR trade, decent. I believe I de-risked here because I had a really tight stop loss. I did one micro. I should probably trade. No, I did one mini. I should do my micros. I couldn't take any partial here. But yeah, price was definitely looking like it was gonna dump. Obviously wasn't expecting a big move like this. Kind of like Monday, I believe, or yesterday. Wait, yesterday was, yeah, Monday. So yeah, was not expecting that. I was open to see price retrace a little bit. If you go on the higher time frames, you got a little fair value up here. Looks like we're gonna have another daily fair value up here. So I was totally open to go for longs at first, but obviously higher time frames, screaming for shorts. All right, and it's gonna be my next round liquidity. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this helps your personal trading, your own analysis, and yeah, that was the trade recap for today.